What is the difference between table tennis versus ping pong? Are they the same or different? Trust me, it is not the same. There are indeed many different rules between these two names. Many new players ask me these same questions. Let me compare the difference between ping pong and table tennis right now. Are ping pong and table tennis the same sport? No, table tennis and ping pong were originally the same sport, but nowadays ping pong and table tennis are different. They are two different sports, so ping pong is no longer the informal American title of the game of table tennis. Here is the summarized table of table tennis versus ping pong. To feel the difference between these two sports, let's see the 2020 World Championship of Ping Pong final. Note that this is a ping pong game, but not a table tennis game. Another huge difference between ping pong and table tennis is World Championship of Ping Pong is organized every year, while World Championship of Table Tennis is organized every 2 years. See the table below. The only similarity between table tennis and ping pong is they are originated from England. Why is table tennis called ping pong? Some players have posted on theguardian.com that table tennis and ping pong are exactly the same game, but that is no longer true. Ping pong is a trademark name for the game also known as table tennis. In 1901, Jon registered ping pong as a trading name in England. Then the rights were sold to Parker Brothers. Ping pong is also called whiff-waff in England. Such a funny game. Before 2011, ping pong or table tennis is the same sport. Some recreational players tend to use ping pong or table tennis in the basement. Amateur players consider ping pong as a hobby, but serious players call it table tennis exclusively and consider it as a sport. In general, ping pong related to garage players, while table tennis is used by players that formally train in the sport. After 2011, ping pong is another sport. Nowadays, ping pong and table tennis are not the same. Difference between ping pong versus table tennis. There is the World Championship of Ping Pong organized every year in England. The ping pong event is held in London, England. Alexandra's Palace, hosted by Matchroom Barry's Hines Enterprise. There is also the World Table Tennis Championship organized by ITTF. So obviously, ping pong and table tennis are the different sports for two different audiences. Here are the main differences between ping pong and table tennis. Equipment. Table tennis can use various types of equipment. Pips in, pips out rubber, and no limit type of table tennis blade. However, ping pong use only one type of equipment, sandpaper bats. So in ping pong, every player use the same equipment. Rule. Table tennis plays the best of 11 points in 7 games, while ping pong plays 15 points best of 3, except the semi-final and the final, which is best of 5 sets, with the sudden death point at 14 or and a double point ball play once on the surface. There is a special double point ball that can be used once per match when serving, and it gives 2 points to the serving players if won and 1 point to the receiving player. It is white instead of orange to mark this occasion. Scoring. The score ends at 11 points with a difference of at least 2 points for table tennis. The score ends at 15. A final score of 14 is a winning score. Playing style. Ping pong use sandpaper, which provide medium to slow speed and medium spin. Table tennis has a faster pace and a higher amount of spin. Table tennis has an offensive and defensive playing style. Ping pong can mix both playing styles in a game. Equipment for table tennis and ping pong. The main equipment difference. In table tennis, each person has their own customized paddle. In ping pong, the standard paddle used by all, sandpapers. Equipment for ping pong players. Unlike table tennis, in ping pong, every player uses the same equipment, a sandpaper paddle. If you love ping pong, you can buy a sandpaper paddle. Sandpaper paddle are only 5-ply racket, which is slow and give a lot of control and feedback to ping pong player. The sandpaper paddle doesn't have 2 rubbers, but instead it has 2 laminated layers. Advantages. Sandpaper paddle reduces the speed and spin of the ball, therefore the release length in ping pong increases. You have a lot of time during each shot. Ping pong is much slower than table tennis. Sandpaper paddle is much cheaper, only around $5 to $10 than a typical blade table tennis racket. A blade costs $40 and the 2 rubber cost around two times $35, so $70. Total price is $70 plus $40 is $110. Disadvantages. Sandpaper generates very little speed and spin, so you won't have the joy of the real table tennis sport. The game is slow and less entertaining for the viewers. Equipment for table tennis players. If you really want to be a serious table tennis player, not a ping pong player, don't buy cheap and low quality equipment, but choose this, one of the best setup for the serious table tennis player. The racket plus 2 size rubber are hand assembled by butterfly equipment experts. Who is the world champion of ping pong? From 2011 to 2014, the world champion of ping pong is Maxim Zverev, Russia. For the next 2 years, 2015 to 2016, the champion is Andrew Bakeley, England. Last year, the current world champion of ping pong is again Andrew Bakeley, England. In 1917, the Chinese players started to interest in ping pong. The latest ping pong champion is a Chinese, Yang Weihao. He is only 20 years old and comes from Nanking. In 2018, Wang Shibu, other Chinese players won the world championship of ping pong. It seems that England, Russia, and China are the most 2 powerful countries in ping pong. Who is the world champion of table tennis? As you see, table tennis and ping pong are not the same, so the world champion of table tennis is also different. Here is a list of the men world champion of table tennis. They are the best table tennis players of all time. Since 2013, China dominates the table tennis scene. There are 8 table tennis champions who are Chinese players in a row. 2013 to 2019, Ma Long won 3 World Table Tennis Championships in a row. 2019, 2017, 2015. Recently in Houston 2021 World Championship, Fan Zhendong won his first World Champion in his career.